How to update the QANDA app. First of all, open Play Store on your device and tap on the search bar at the top. Tap QANDA and open the app page to check if an update is available. If you see the update button, tap on it to start downloading and installing the latest version of the app. But if you don't see the update button, it means your app is already up to date. If there is an update, wait for the update to complete, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the update is finished, tap Open to launch the updated app and access new feature, bug fixes, and performance improvement. Keeping the app updated ensures smooth operation, prevent errors or crashes, and allows you to use all the latest tools for homework help and learning. Now you know how to update the QANDA app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.